Insurance Explained in 60 Seconds. Traditional nagko-cover ng any damage sa kotse mo na galing sa accident with another car or a stationary object. Comprehensive Insurance. Kino-cover din ito yung any damage sa kotse mo, pero galing naman ito from an act of God like hail, baha, long trees, things like that. Property Damage Liability. Pag ikaw ang may kasalanan sa accident, i-cover nito yung damages sa ibang car. Now, similar to property damage liability, yung bodily injury liability ay i-cover ka din pag ikaw yung may kasalanan. I-cover nito yung medical expenses ng other person. Personal Injury Protection or PIP, kino-cover nito yung medical expenses regardless kung sino ang may kasalanan. Ito ay para sa'yo at sa passengers mo. Uninsured and underinsured motorist, kino-cover nito yung any accident na hindi ikaw yung may kasalanan, pero walang enough insurance yung other person para i-cover yung medical expenses mo. Click the link below para makakuha ng auto insurance code from over 50 top-rated insurance companies that we work with.